Hey folks, Sheilah here from Design Files. In today's video, we're going to be talking about adding color schemes using the paint swatches to your mood board designs or to your concept boards. So if you want to be able to create color schemes like this, it's very simple and easy to do. The first thing that you really need to do is just pop over to the right side panel over here, and you're going to see that there is a paint color library. So we're going to click into this, and if I click into the paint color library, it's going to show you the different collections that are available to you. So you can just click into any of these, and then from here you're going to see that it's going to show all of the paint colors. You can search by paint name or by the code as well, so you can do that. You do have a filter here as well, so if you want to narrow down to a specific category, you can do that too, or you can just browse. And when you hover over the paint swatches, you're going to see the specific color name that's going to show up. Now, if you find some colors that you like, just go ahead and drag them out. So I'm just going to shift my canvas over here, and we're going to drag out some colors. It doesn't really matter which ones we choose for now. Now, what you don't want to do, if you're going to create a color scheme like this, you want to make sure that all your paint swatches are the exact same size. And you don't want to waste your time by trying to scale it down and then scale the other one down and try to make it match and get everything just right. A faster way to do this would be to first just line up all of your paint swatches. So I'm just going to shift things around here. I'm just using my mouse or the left, right, and up, down arrows on my keyboard to get everything aligned. And then once I have them aligned, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click the first one, I'll hold down Shift, I'm going to click the other ones, and if you're on a Mac, you're going to hold down Command. But you want to select all of them because now you can move them all and you can scale them all at once. You can also rotate them. So if you wanted to have your whole color scheme horizontally, you could do that as well. So just by grouping everything, it's going to speed up that process. Scale them all down to the size that you want. And then of course you could choose to leave your color swatches as squares, but if you like the circle options, just click on one, go over to the crop tool, click the circle option and apply it. And then you're just going to do that for each of your color swatches. Just like that. Now here's the cool thing. Once you get this into place, the next thing that you can do is you can actually just drag additional colors over, hover over top of the paint swatch that you already added and release it, and it will fill that paint swatch with the new color. So now you can just test out colors to your heart's content, and you don't have to waste the time to scale down all of your paint swatches and crop them and organize them. You can skip all of those steps and just quickly test out paint colors until you feel like you've got everything the way that you want, and then great, go ahead and save your design. So it's a much faster approach to scale everything all at once and then to just drag out your paint colors and then just keep basically switching them out until you're happy. Now, another cool way that you could approach this, let's say that you've created a template like this. So maybe you have, a saved templated slide for all of your client presentations. It's something that you're going to use over and over again for projects. So if you create a slide like this, you can save it as a template, and then you can pull it out and use it for future projects. And if you're building out this slide by using paint swatches, it means that you can then immediately just fill each of these with the appropriate colors that you're planning on using for the next client project. And it's so much faster and easier for you to complete these slides for any future client presentations. So just keep that in mind. Now, we do have videos in the video tutorial library that will walk you through creating your full client presentation slide deck. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out the videos. And there's also additional videos where we're going to walk through how to add paint colors to walls for your full room mockups. So be sure to check out the additional videos within the video tutorial library for that as well. There's a lot of great tips and tricks within them. I think I could probably end that here. So if you do have any questions about adding paint swatches to your concept boards, feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.